All righty. Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of Mojo Day Trading, back on the live streaming stream path. I'm going to be doing it every day, showing you the accounts. Yes, I'm trading about $3 million in prop firm capital. I've gotten 135 payouts, 106 with Apex alone. Many with the others, Lilo. Morning over there in the Mojo room. How you doing? Let me mute that. What's going on somewhere? What's going on here? Here. At least I know my voice is coming in. Let's refresh this page. So this is the Tick Blaze menu. All right. So let's head over to my screen. We're going to do giveaways on every show. The BDH is here, not there. I'm going to really show you some great trading. And how I have gotten 135 payouts. So this is the window for Tick Blaze. Menu, desktop. Let's go open desktop. Mojo. Loading. We should load up the, there it is. MNQ. This is Tick Blaze with Prop Shop. So let's see what we got. Accounts. Yep, here they are. So we got all these accounts right here. Let's move that column over. Move this column over. I like liquidation value they have. So this account, I have 1, 2, 3, a bunch of gladiators and 2 warriors. This one's that, gives all remaining drawdown column. I like it. All right, so that's all set. Go to workspaces. Here it is. See if I could shrink this window. Yep. And there we go. I already nailed the big downturn this morning. So I'm just waiting for a dip. Very patient right now. So there's my tick, my TB. You could stretch it all the way to there. There we go. So now this one's ready to trade, and I just have to switch between accounts here, like that, one at a time. There's no way that I'm copy trading. Because Friday, I copy traded for the first time. I copy trade maybe 1% of my trading, and it fucked me up. I got struck by lightning on Friday. Lost a bunch of accounts because of the copier. And it was out of my control. It was on that whip. Didn't even do anything. The DOM just went like this, and the market did that, and all of a sudden the copier went right through my stops, and I was done. Amazing, right? Don't use the copier. And the firms say, yeah, sorry. No level 2 data available on my Domsky. All right, so we have SQQ, QQ 69.70. Let's see what we got here this morning. Let's open up Ninja Trader. And log in. Got a bunch of accounts to do giveaways for my new followers that follow me. Good morning, Brad. Hello, Andrew. You got a little crown next to your name. Dave Emrose has a badge with a number 1 next to his name on my YouTube. It means you guys must be like active. Oh, my Ninja opened up with the copier. Shut that down. So let's see what I've done here this morning. Let's move this on over. And let's connect to Bullnox. That's one of the firms I got going on. I think I'm done with Bullnox for the day. Made one eval pass, 2,476 right there. And Bullnox, this one is close, 51.9. But we got to wait for a little dip. I'll show you a little Mojo magic. So right here, why I'm waiting for the dip is if you could see the chart on SQQ right here on the 5-minute. See it? Let me show you the 2-minute. I try to do that in the pre-market. 5 minutes better. So we take this chart right here. You see this line? And this line, this is 80%. The top one, the bottom one is 20%. That's 80. And that's 20. Hold on a second, make sure I got my right thing going on. Yeah. All right, that's 80 and 20. And here's my SQQ. I got in about right. It was basing out all morning right here in this range. 3-cent little range. Playing it for the move, obviously, to fill this gap up here to go into 70, which it is now. So you could see right here on the bottom, I'm drawing. You see this little steeple? That's the shack. Here's the front door. So people come in here. You come on in right there. And you get in line like the people are doing right here. So you enter the little ski chateau. This is the gondola. You see the red line? And these are all the little gondolas. You're on the chairlift. And you're just hanging in there. It's going in your face. Chairlifting, chair. In. And you're staying in until right here. Then you have your runners. And as long as this stays above 80%, right now it's at 92. It's called the stochastic indicator. You stay in the trade. And that's how I ran that baby just now on me NASDAQ futures right here. I took the top. It's an inverse. So as I've only do is short. I only short the NASDAQ. That's it. So watch. As SQQ right here, 1869 by 70, as this stock rises, the NASDAQ futures go lower. And I only play this stock for a rise higher, and I only short. So that's my system and strategy based on positive expectancy. Now, other systems may say, hey, high frequency trading and gambling because I make big wins and I let runners run, but it's not. It's totally the opposite. And this shows it right here. So this right here is 18 55 to 57 right here. This is the break into 1860. And here's the move to 1870 right there. And the same thing happened here. I got short all up here. I covered the short all down here. And this whole way down, I made money. I didn't do it in one trade. I did it in many trades. But I rode it the whole way down. And I was able to make $3,000 doing it. And here's the trade. So if you come into the chart and you go data series, actually, I don't have to do that. Yeah, data series, and come down here and say markers only, apply, okay. So you could see all the trades right here. And this is my video explanation of my trading for all the firms that ever want to deny or say, hey, he trades this way or that way. This is the way that I trade. So if we come in here new and we come here, here's where I did most of the trades. You could see right here, boom, I was shorting in the pinks. So I shorted all up first right here, taking my short. Then it moved higher on that red bar. So it moved towards 1860 for the first time. And I covered all that shit up and made a lot of freaking dineros. Then it went higher again. So this went back to 1857 and I shorted it again there. That was scaling in. So you may call that high frequency trading or DCA, dollar cost averaging. But I call it no. I call it this. I call it, I scaled in with one lot, added three, added 5 at the tippy top. Then I covered them all right in here, covered more right there, covered more on the next bar there. Look, didn't do anything but hold. Now I got runners, covered there, covered there, covered there, there, and on the bottom of that bar. And that trade was exactly that move on SQQ. Right there. That trade down was that move up. And that's all that I do. It's not gambling. It's not high frequency trading. It's not DCA. It's freaking making money like a madman. That's all that I do. So if we come into like Prop Shop and we come into my dashboard, they have a great little dashboard right here. Let me log in. So they have a dashboard and go into the trader dashboard. And you can come into your account like this one. I just got a payout on 47. So we'll go to 47. Just got a payout. $1,250 payout. Current balance, 51,692. Balance was 52,6. See? Weekly profit, active 282, required. Shows you everything. I'm not eligible for a payout, but my weekly payout cap's 1250. And here's how I did it. Day one shows you all the trading. Look. Day 7-7, I made $167 on 2 trades. 100% accurate. The next day I made 261 on 13 trades. The next day I made 625 on 11. I made 356 on 51. So that was a day where it was up and down. That's why the win rate is only 39%. I could tell you right there, I hit a lot. I missed the fairway a lot right there. I knew it. I didn't have to look at the fairway and green regulations. I knew I missed, but I still did good. That's not high frequency trading. Even though the next day I only did 2 trades. This one I did 51. It's the NASDAQ. I'm not trading oil or cattle futures. This shit's wildest thing all over the damn place. If I got to save myself with 51 trades rather than winning on 2 and stopping with 600, or winning on 4 and stopping at 200. I got to do 51 trades to make myself green instead of losing on the day. That's not high frequency trading. It's called mastery. Most people, 99 out of 100 from red, blow their account. Mojo able to make it back doing 51. So look, I'm down 300. The trading gods say, hey, quit now and show them you don't do a lot of trades and you're a schnook. Or hey, do 50 trades at the day. You'll still be up 356. You won't lose for the day, but you'll feel like a master and so forth. Which one do you want to do? I'll take option number 2 and be up $356 and thank you. And I'm not a schnook. I'm a master. I made it back. 11 trades to make 441, 3 trades, 968, and 5 trades for 105. 100%, 100%, all down the road. That's how I got paid. Let's see the next one. Same, they're all in order here. 44. Right here. Where's 40? They didn't show the trades. Let's go to this one. How come it doesn't show the trades? 51.8. Where's the trades? Let me look on this page. Ooh, we're coming down. I may do a trade. Look, it says, look, let me show you what else they do. Oh, but it's cleared. Let me show you on it. Oh, it's loading the daily summary and trades. Okay, so let me show you like on this account. This account is at 257,000. I got to go to payout eligibility, 5,000 more dollars. So this firm gives you 12,000 in drawdown, but you got to make $12,000 to get a payout. Go to the other firms, get a $6,000 drawdown, but you got to make $6,000 payout. I like this firm long term. The count will always be there. I'll always take a weekly payout of $1,750 off this account. It's already up $7,000. I already got it going on. These are the trading days. Boom, 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 boom. I hit a big one and they flagged me. Look, count size. It tells you how many E-minis you can buy and your safe limit. So I can do 3 minis or 15 micros. It triggers a flag when I go 4 minis. Maximum contracts is 25 and 250. It shows you everything and all your parameters. Your average is rounded up to the nearest 5. And I usually do, depending upon the account, 50K account, 20 micros, 250K account, I can go up to 50 micros. And they flagged me, look, for high frequency trading on one of the days. But it was cleared. See? And here's the days. It was this day. I made $137 in one trade. 203 in 6 trades. 19 trades, I made $1,000. 31 trades, I made 7. My win rate was bad. Look, 65%. I had to come back and do mastery. That's not high frequency trading. That's mastery. I went from red back to green and stopped. It's a system. All I do is short. Didn't go long, short, long, short, long, short to make it back. And then I had a huge move. It like flipped and it went huge in my favor. And I'm like, holy shit, I'm up $2,000. Close that shit out. Or it was this one at $2,000. I'm like, holy shit, close that shit out. It could have went against me. If it goes against you, the firms are like, you lost big, you're done. It goes with you, you're like gambling. I didn't gamble. I finally hit one, man. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 great trading days, it finally went big in my favor, not on a lot of trades. And I made $2,000, the same as I did the day before on 91 trades. That shows you it's mastery. It's a system based on positive expectancy. I waited for my moves. I knew from the day before with 91 trades where the zone was. And when it re-hit back there the next day, it only took me 7 trades to make that same amount. That's what that shows me. I knew the table. I made it to the final table. I was playing head to head against the guy I was playing with all day yesterday with. I wiped him out in 7 trades and won $2,000 on 7/16. That's not gambling. That's fucking mastery based on positive expectancy and hours at the table studying the price of SQQ and where it's going. That's why I'm going to get paid on this one. And if they come to me and say, hey, you high frequency traded and you gambled, show me a fucking video of what you do to explain it and appeal it. Well, here it is forever for all you firms, because all I do is short. And all I do is base it on SQQ, which was 67 by 68. I hope it's lower because it's trade time. Boom, 65. Love it. Let's do a trade. So I'm going to come up here to my DOM right here. And I'm going to set the buttons. This is right off the RT Trader Pro. Configure trade buttons. You go add a row, and it adds a row, and you drag down where you want it and click OK. So now let's go put it on 1, set default, and it's doing a cross market. Let's see what it's doing, 66. So we're going to go join ask. Ready? Join ask. I'm sitting right there. The next one I'll put is right
Position
here.
Open.
And then I'll scroll up and put one at 55 right there. Those are my 3 micros. Next one, I would move to the next account and do another account. We do one trade at a time. This account named Hulk. That's him right there. So I got filled on 2. See that? So if I come down, I got to wait 10 seconds. 1, 2. Because they're like, dude, if I come out now and it flips, they're going to be like, dude, you were in the trade for less than 10 seconds. You're a high frequency trader. But luckily, it's not going in my favor, and I'm in for 10 seconds. Can you believe they have those rules? Yeah. One of the stupid firms, I made $7,000 testing them out, and they denied my payout saying I was in one of these trades on one of these days less than 10 seconds. Yeah. Yeah. So here's $20 down here. See this at 40, that little green bar? I'll put that in there. What does the green mean on that? Let's go right here and go to legend. Everyone has this. This is the RT Trader Pro. The green means the opening price and the indicator price. The yellow is the lean, red is the last. You see how I'm down 22, watch. I'm going to go add 3. 1, 2, 3. So now I come down here and it didn't go in my favor. So I'm going to come out of those 3 right here for a little bit of profit and hold the other 2. Now that's not high frequency trading. It just didn't go when I got in at 65, 66. It didn't go 66, 67. It went 64, 65. I wanted to go in the green to add these 3. Not in the red, but it went in the red. So I'm going to come out of them closer in the green right here and hold the other 2. I'm playing like an ace-7. It's not really that good. I'm playing against the market that's got ace-queen right now. So I'm not going to commit a lot of damn chips. I didn't flop. I had ace-7. If I flopped 7-7 something and I had trips, it would be in my favor right now. Instead, it didn't. But now it's firming up right here. Oops, 63. You got to watch the level too. It went to 71. See that? And that's what I do. I'll take a couple more because I know it's going back to 66, 67. I just don't want it to shake me out and be in a big loss where I have to stop out in the meantime to do it. See? So now it's coming right back to me. Look. I've been in for 10 seconds. Look. that's $12. That's $18. And that's $21. I'm going to come here and go show account. So I'm going to trade another account. Let's go in here to 44. 44 is my 255 account. So let's go 1, 2, 3, and just go into 3 micros right there just to get in. I'm going to scroll up to like 57. Let's scroll up in the not that high. Let's put one here on that purple. That's $70 loss. Let's put one. That's at the high of the day. So the purple is the VWAP. Nice. So we put one on VWAP and put one above VWAP. Put a couple up here. Just line them up. It's like $165 loss if it gets there, but I'll fill in. I'll be even if I get there. So I'm going to join the ask and join the ask again, do 2 more orders and get the 5 micros short. And it's right here. So let's line up $52 is one. 72 is the other down here. And there's another one. So as it comes into those 3, I'm going to add more. You can see they're doing a cross market. EdgeX is cross marketing the 64. So it held from 71. It dropped 8 cents to 63. These are the stops. And that's what I do. Market's opening in 1 minute. Here we go. Getting in 3. 1, 2, 3. I got 8. I got 10. I got a $500. I may get stopped out. I only have 3. And look, down $400 on 10 micros. I may get stopped out. I have a $500 stop. No, I have 1,000 on that one. Thank gosh. I'm adding 3. Adding 2. I have 21. Here's break even right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at break even. And I'll hold 15. But I'm going to have more. I'm going to go to 30. I got 26. I got 27. Look at Litecoin. Up $1.59. $11.13 on Litecoin. Look at that. Told you. All right, I got 30. I'm either getting stopped out or making something good here. Let's go back up to 60. Here we go. 58. I'm going to open up another one. Hold on. 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking 5.
Position open.
Position open. Here we go.
Position closed.
Oh, I got stopped out right there. So what I do, watch, I go back in, maintain my stop. Watch. Now I go back in and I add $700 more. Give me 700 more in chips. Watch. And now I go back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right back in it. But I got stopped out. See, now I got 20 again. 22, 23. Back in. Give me another hand, dealer. 25. All right. That's it. Let's see. It goes back to 60. I'm a hero. If not, I'm not. But I think I will be. Let's go. 56, 57. Let's go. 54. Sometimes if I feel like it's really going to go, I'll add. second, what happened? Shit. And I know it's gonna go like that shit. All right. I got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Going to another one right here. At 52-1 on this account, doing 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Position open.
Position opened. I'm doing 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm taking some on this one. I'm taking some on this account too. Let's do another one. 257. I could take 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Position open.
This one I can take 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Position open.
Open that one too. Let's run to 60 now. Now this one, same thing. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Position open.
More. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go this one. I got that one already. Let's go this one. Already got that one already. And this one, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's not hype. That's 11.
Position open.
That's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Done. Now we run back up, and I come out of all of them. One by one by one. Here we go. Come on, baby. It just doesn't want to go back
Position
up.
closed.
Oh, something closed.
Position open.
Nope, something just happened. Number 47. Triggered or stop loss, number 47. This one. Yep. Back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, it hit $496. Look at the size at 49. That may be the bottom. See the 48 and 49, the
Position
size.
closed. Position open.
What the fuck? All right, tick blaze open with it. There we go. It hit the 48 and the 49, motherfucker. I'm banging out of it right here. Doubling up. All right, let's make a move back up. Went back to 52 and fell back down. Just gonna go back to 50. Let's go already. Comps like 2100. Wow, shit's fucking terrible. Great. At least it's coming back a little bit. Still waiting. Oh man, terrible. I got stopped out so many fucking times. At least it came back a little bit. Terrible move. 35-cent move at the open. Terrible. Still hanging on. Need like a rip up to 37. Come on. There we go. It's trying. All right, let's do a trade. It's finally settled down. Here we go. Like, holy shit. Nice, went right back to 37 for me. Added a couple. Bitcoin's freaking 93. Litecoin's 11. Couldn't hold 37. Let's try again. Line up a couple. Another couple. $200 here. And then back. We got 17. I'm up 300 here. Let's see if we can get to 40. There we go. Going to 20. Lining up 10. Week. Terrible day for me. Terrible. First day streaming. Adding 5. Coming out of 5 here in the red. There we go, back in the green. Holding 10. Holding 5. Up 150. Closing 2. I'm going to add 3 back, 5 back. Going to 38. Coming out of 8 right there. Fucking unreal. Well, just whatever just died right in my face. Unreal. NASDAQ is fucked up. And I'm going to try to bump out of it. Let's go. Taking a loss right in this range and then holding the rest underneath it. Here it comes. Came out of some of them. Yay. Pac-Man. Nice, got 20 left. Adding 8 again. Back to 20. Line them up 10. Nice. Back to 32. Making me work for it today. Gonna add 5. Going higher. Adding 5 more. Here we go. Told you. Just so weak today. I can't believe how fucking weak. We haven't gotten one green bar since the open and before. It's unbelievable. We were fucking pretty strong. That move earlier really faked me out, I guess, right? It's just weak. I'm just not giving it. There's a little bit. 19, yes, sir. Going down to 10. Yes, sir. Took 4 off. Finally strengthened up. Added a couple. Here comes a little one. Look. Rip that whole row. If it's going back to 40, it's got to go to 33, right? Come on. I'm going to give it another minute. Sip of coffee. Piece of shit. It's at 23,400. That's why. That's 1828. See how many they take. Line it up from break even. He took 6 of them. See if they come back for him. There we go. They took 9 of them. There we go. Come on. It's unbelievable. It won't get past that fucking point. Come on. Finally. Finally. How long has it taken? 45 fucking minutes to get a green bar? Amazing, right? I've been milking it. I'm up 789. I got 36 left. I've been milking it fucking the whole time. It's just, and I'm milking that one the whole time too. It's pretty frustrating. But whatever, I'm milking it. What am I up here? I'm at 52. I got to get another $1,000 in this one and get over 53. Well, now that it's firmed up, I know the low is 28. Let's see where the high is right here. And then it'll be boxed. Took a long time for that to happen. Very fucking stop out after stop out after stop out. Should have been long, right? That's what you're saying. Oh, yeah, sure. All right, let's leave this open. I'm going to add another one and go to 10. I got to switch accounts. I'm going to trade another account. Right here. I got 5. 1, 2. These are going to be all small, nothing big here. And I'm coming out of them right in the beginning each time. Oh my God. Can you see that flash that it just freaking did? Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate that. Hate that. I can't believe it. Just as soon as I opened up this one right here, as soon as I did it, just flashed to fucking 26. Coming out at 10 right here in the beginning. Fucking nuts, right? fucking nuts today. Mine's unbelievable. Unreal. What a day. I put on the 2-minute chart. Look at that. That's disgusting. Yay. Yay. Back to 30. All right, couple more minutes, dogs. I'll feed you. My dog's at a certain time, 10:30. They know. This one I'm doing good. I'm up 1,200. Not one. Let me show you how you do add the buttons again. So I got to add the bit in the ass. You go configure trade buttons, add a row, drag that down there, and drag that down there, and hit OK. And then you can hit join bid, join bid, join bid, like that. Come on, let's get a move to 30 already and stay there. Fucking ridiculous. All right, I'm gonna do my Twitter. I finally got a minute to fucking breathe. I'm gonna do it for my first giveaway here today. Let me do one. This is from my Twitter. This is a prop shop trader giveaway, boys. I'm gonna do 5 winners. Boom. There they all are. Flucky, Valley, Moshiro. All you guys. Look at that. Yeah, sure. Beautiful. Download image. Desktop. Done. Copy. Here it is. Let's go here. These are winners for today. Monday, 7/21. DM me to claim the prize. We got FJ Lucky. We got Valley Natty. Right there. UWUL. A Pete. Moses Hero FX. And the last one is Tanya Baby. Tanya Baby. I wonder if it's Tanya. Done. Great job. Great job. Oh. And of course, doing that, I'm down. It went the other way. What is it, 25? Yep, 25. Look at that, huh? Amazing. Never ceases to amaze me. Never ceases to amaze me. It's unbelievable, really. Tabby was here, she'd be like, oh my God, this is one of those Tabby days. Yeah. Mm-hmm. If I would have been long, I would be the biggest hero ever. The shit would still be running. Unbelievable. Meep's up there again. It's trying. I'm like pulling nails. My hands without a hammer. Finally broke $1,000. Is it actually going to go up a penny? Doubt it. Doubt it. It's unbelievable. Use a jigsaw dom. Doesn't jump around like that. I guess. Here we go. $27. Finally got 2 green bars in a row. Amazing. It's amazing how much the market's up and up every fucking day. It's unbelievable. I put out some new swing picks that are heavily shorted. Let's see how they're doing. Put them on my list. NAOV, IBRX, INMB, ASTI. ASTI's up 11 cents. Kirk's up. The others are flat. Nice, 28. Yes, sir. Finally. Now I know where the bottom is. I'm up 1,600. Finally, it's moving. I got 8 left. 1,641 bucks. Eight left. That's my prop shop. This one's my Lilo. Lilo Gila. What number is that? Now if it goes back to 24, we know that's the bottom. Looks like it wants to go back to 30. Signal at 29, 25.66. Finally. See, it came up. There you go. Look. Boom. This is my, finally, it took fucking hours. Look. Gonna go through that right to 30. Watch. Get short more. I got short more because of that signal. So if I hit a big one, it's not because I'm gambling, it's because I saw it. Come on, baby. Take my fucking row. Pac-Man that shit. Let's go, baby. There it is, 29, right on the number. Look at that. Told you, that's my system. Look, see it? Get it, baby, right there. 17 of them. My other screen, I'm up $2,000. Look, $2,000 on 50 of them. That's not a gambling in a fucking, it's a good trade. Been waiting for a long time. This $2,000 profit is not a fucking gamble. It's not a gamble. Videos being made at 10:43 a.m. Ain't no fucking gamble. And this one I did too. Hit a really fucking nice one. Got some good runners right there. Finally. Took fucking 2 hours. A lot of agita. There's the signal at 30 now. See it? Sitting there at 30 for the rebate. He's sitting right there. I mark him right there. Add again. It's going through it. Done. See that? Adding again. Add it again. He's sitting there for a rebate. Still sitting there. Still sitting there. Sitting at 29. There it is again. Right on him. There it is. Giving him a rebate. Right through him. Told you. Right through. Right to 30. Told you. Told you. Finally, see? I got a $42 runner, micro runner right there. One runner, $46. The other one I got 5. Told you it was going to 30. This one I'm up 2,114 now. It's 6 runners left on this one. Let's go. Finally. Put me through hell. $31. Nice. Look, we're chairlifting up right now. We're in a chairlift. Told you. Going higher. 31, yes, sir. Told you. That's the Mojo system right there. With the signals in the level 2. Should have waited all day just for that. Would have been wonderful. Nice. Now I'm up 2,500. Let's go, baby. 2,500. Let's go. 32. Here I'm up 333, and that's the runner still going at $50. Yes, sir. We're rail grinding. We're in 80% now. We're in the rail grind. Yes, sir. $61 runner. Micro. One runner, $60 right there. See it? Boom. On that 105 PA. Yes, sir. It's amazing how some firms you trade so good with and some firms you can't trade at all with. Bull Knox, I still got this runner. 10 at 101. I'm going to keep it. I like logging in and seeing a position in there that's up, right? That shit ain't going down either, man. We're fucking going higher. Added a couple because it's going higher. $33. Yes, sir. $33, finally. Got a little strength. Yes, sir. There we go. Signal at 35. Fine. Look, signal at 35. Another rebate. And at 36. See him? Yes, I lose, but if I could just wait for those, I'd be a fucking hero. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is strong. Finally down here. ETH average cost 27.94 is 31.85. Bitcoin GBTC cost 85 is 93. HUBC cost 204 is 417. INSM cost 88 is 102. IXL 19 cost is 76 cents. Lucid at 232 cost is 283. LiDAR 116 cost is 116. LMFA at 388 is 432 on the gainers list. Litecoin at 9 averaged up is 11 now. NUWE at 26 cents is 1460. Plug at $1.30 is now 2 at 197. Yes, sir. Rocket Labs is from 33.90 to 50. SBET from 15 to 32. And TDTH is now over 2 from $1.13, picked at 50 cents. And TNFA at 12 right here. This one on the day opened up this morning at went to 12 cents. So traded 222 million. So this one may go up again this week. We'll keep an eye on it. All right, let's see what we got going on. SQQ came on back down. 29 by 30. Yes, sir. Should be a $3,000 when it gets to 32 in profit. $3,000 now on the day. Yes, sir. Look, here we go. It's at $2,824 profit on the day. Let's get to 32. It's 32. And this little one I got going on, I made $55 and $50. That's all I got to do on this little one, make $50 and $50. Here we go. Let's go. Another little stock that I'm following called Planet Ventures, which is big into Bitcoin. It's this little one that's 24 cents. Let me see what it's doing. PNX. Let me see what the symbol is. Yahoo. Planet Ventures. There's two of them. Pop Mart, which makes that Labubu doll. It's a Chinese company. It's called Pop Mart. Let me show you. So one is PNXP, Planet Venture, not pineapple. PNXPF. PNXPF. Right here. Planet Ventures at 19.20 cents right here. This stock can be a big winner. And then the other one is Pop Mart. Right here. Oh, is it a cryptocurrency? I don't think so. Pop Mart. No, I don't think this is not to do with it, but this Pop Mart. It's like $200 right here. No, is that it? Maybe. Yeah, Pop Mart right here. They make the Labubu doll. Yeah, making some money. So check out Pop Mart. They make that Labubu doll, which is very, very big right now. So if you guys want to catch like a trend that may be like, Beanie Babies, it's called Labubu. Right here, Labubu doll. You'll see very rich women wearing it and stuff. It's very, people are, I want to buy 1,000 of them. Like, they'll go up very much in price. You can even make a business doing it. They have these little plush dolls. Labubus. It's in Forbes right here 4 days ago. These Labubus. See them? Right here. See, this limited edition has bids at $9,000 on eBay. Sotheby's auction, one for 30,000. There's one for 150, for 140. They're pretty fucking crazy. These are them Labubus, these little monsters. That's a business right there. So I am at $2,852. Gamble. Won't get payout. They'll say I'm gambling, but I've done many, many trades and blew 3 accounts to fucking get there. So what the fuck, right? Today's move was beyond fucking stupid and wild. This down part without stopping and trending up and down and back is just so stupid, man. Yeah. All right, I'll feed you, Rems. I gotta feed my dog. I'll be back. How long have I been streaming for today? 2 hours? Perfect. And it's finally starting to work. You've watched me go through hell on my first live stream here today. I'll just put it on pause. Go feed my dogs. Time is it 11? Yeah, we'll end it for today. I'll come back and do another one tomorrow. We'll do 5 more giveaways. See if we can get it bigger every day. Invite some of your friends. That's what we'll do. So it's been a while. Been a hard trading day. Out of a 1 to 10, today was a 9. Able to make money. Blew 2 or 3 accounts, I think, today. I haven't even looked. And yeah, so it is what it is. But made good on some other ones, like this one still in there. 259 at 5, up $3,000. I've just been banging on this one. And the other ones I'm done with. So until tomorrow, guys, peace. Keep it profitable, and thanks. Give me a like and a thumbs up and all that good stuff, and I'll catch you tomorrow.